Hello and welcome to another update video about Sand. So the Sand price reacted here to our yellow support area, as you know already, end of November, around the 22nd of November, and since then has been in a constant, you could say price increase, a little bit of a bumpy road as it seems, but the price broke out of this corrective price channel to the upside. I will take these price channels now off the chart. I have to say that while it is absolutely possible that this wave 2 bottomed, I mean, it reached nearly the 50% FIB level. That's normally what I want to see. The move up since then hasn't really been clearly impulsive. I mean, to be honest, you need to remember that we would be technically now in a third wave rally. Yeah, we're tracking here a wave 1 to the upside. We had possible 5 waves up and now 3 waves down into support. And I have to say, yeah, you know, it's not clearly evident that a third wave rally has started. So it would need to be much more aggressive normally. This is just a 3-wave move up, so I can't really assume it has started. Now, I'm primarily watching this as a 1-2 setup. I have to say though, I really don't like this dip on the 9th of November. It is very much possible that we're only now just entering a 5th wave, so that we had a 1, a 2, a 3, and all of this was part of a sub-wave, 3. This here is a 4, and the wave 5 could, could then be an ABC structure, like Medic, for example, right? A, B, C, where it's just not very evident when the wave 4 is finished, because the wave 5 could just be an ABC structure. So it depends. It's hard to say. It doesn't matter in the short term, because the idea has been that we should enter this box and then turn around, which it has done, right? It's just not very clear to me if this is already a 5-wave move up or not. I'm happy to count it 5 waves because this dip was quite deep, but it was also like it took only like half an hour or something, not even. So it's not so reliable. Yeah, let's just be aware of that. Because normally if this was a 3rd wave rally, it would really go. So I'm thinking, okay, so either wave 2 is still unfolding, and if we get a deep pullback, then I see this definitely as wave 2. And then a 3rd wave should start later, because a deep pullback, a wave 4 shouldn't be a deep pullback, but a wave 2 can be. And as long as we're holding the 30.9 cent level, the focus should still be on higher. And it would be reasonable, in my opinion, to expect further rising prices in a 3rd wave rally. But yeah, so you just need to be aware of these 2 scenarios. Nevertheless, in both scenarios, the yellow box could have been and could still be, if we re-enter it, a potentially interesting entry point offering solid reward to risk ratios. Because also here, I mean, if it's a 3rd wave, I mean, obviously anyway, you know, reward to risk ratio is always amazing when we're entering a 3rd wave. But even if this is only a 4th wave with just 1 more high to come in a 5th, then what we can do is to take the length here, go to the low, and we would typically reasonably expect at least then the 50.6 cent level, maybe even higher. Yeah, that would actually be quite shallow, to be honest, the way it looks. 50.6 cents, possibly even 61 cents. But that would just be for the 5th wave then. But possibly it is a 3rd wave rally that's happening. So yeah, I can't really give you much more insights and clarity. I mean, the breakout point to the upside is here the previous high at 47 cents. It's very important to understand here this barrier, this descending trend line. To get above that is needed to then also get to the next structural resistance. I did highlight 61 cents just now as one of the Fibonacci extension targets. It is, by the way, the next key structural resistance if we break out. Yeah, that's my update about Sand. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.